Good Friday morning, South Carolina Weather Watchers. I'm the host for South Carolina Weather, just Peterson. Let's go ahead and talk about the weather for your Friday morning. Now, looking at the radar right now, as you can see, we do have some showers over here to our west inside of Georgia, but those are going to slowly start to maybe move inside of South Carolina soon. And right now, it's looking pretty good out there. Especially down like in like the low country, PD regions, maybe even the Midlands as well. Upstate, probably is cloudy up there because those showers that are about to come through. But here's our winter weather radar, so you can kind of see this all better. You can see that we do have some damage reports down there in Arkansas. We're going to click on them. Trees are down, and then yeah, pretty much just trees being down. I'm not really seeing anything else. We do have some flash flooding down here near Houston. Probably about to go closer to New Orleans. Have some snow up here inside of Wyoming, Idaho, and Utah, as well as up here in Montana. Some heavy rain going through northeastern Montana and North Dakota. Also do have some snow and some rain mix down here in South Dakota. Some small downpours or maybe even some showers going through Nebraska, and this huge rain system moving through the deep south and the Ohio Valley, going up towards the Great Lakes and even Canada as well, going through all those places as well. Nothing going on for the Northeast. Here is our cloud cover. As you can see, like I said, cloud cover pretty much over the upstate, the Midlands, as well, and maybe the northern low country region as well. So it's probably going to be a bit of a cloudy day today, especially as we get into the afternoon period. You saw it forecasted yesterday, especially if you were there last night at 9 o'clock. Here it is right here. We saw that line pushing through on the models yesterday, and it's probably the same thing on this one as well. If you go on ahead and push it forward, you can see that it's trying to the clouds are trying to build up over there inside the PD region, and then it's gonna push through, going through most of South Carolina as well. And by the time we get to around 10 or so, 11 hours or so, it's just gonna be pretty much dominant cloud cover. And then we may have a couple of clearing spots going into like tomorrow, early tomorrow morning, places like that. But I'm really just watching for a pretty cloudy day today, mostly cloudy. Here's our current temperature: 64 in Greenville, 68 in Columbia, 70 in Charleston, 68 in Myrtle Beach, 66 in Rock Hill, 68 in Augusta, 66 in Anderson, and 68 in Sumter. Here's our high temperatures for today. High temperatures: 86 Aiken, 90 in Florence, 79 in Charleston, 78 Myrtle Beach, 88 Columbia, 85 Greenville, Anderson, and Spartanburg, 86 Rock Hill, 88 Camden, and 86 Aiken as well. Here's our peak sustained winds for today. Peak sustained winds can get from around 5 to, I'd say around a good 5 to 7 miles an hour inland, and then once you get to the coast, it reaches to around 9 to 10 miles an hour sustained near the coast. And then once you get to those peak wind gusts will be mainly again around like 5 to 9 miles an hour inland. But then once you get up there to the upstate, you get up to 10 miles an hour over there near Florence and Dillon, and get to around 9 to 12. And then once you get to the coast, around 10 to 15 miles an hour. I would say even 14 to 15 miles an hour at some times. It just really determines on where you are inside South Carolina. Here's our forecast of precipitation for the next 24 hours. As you can see, mainly just some half an inch totals, maybe some quarter-inch totals, a tenth of an inch totals, pretty much around most of the upstate, but there are some isolated spots that can reach an inch, mainly near those mountains as well, is what mainly people are watching for, what the National Weather Service is watching for as well. So maybe an inch could fall like right on the border like of North Carolina and South Carolina, maybe even up there near Georgia as well, in northeastern Georgia as well. But mainly what I'm watching for, around a quarter to a half an inch, mainly for most of the upstate. And then once you get down to like Barnwell, only around like a tenth of an inch. And then lucky for the PD in the low country And most of the southern Midlands don't have to worry about any rain for the next 24 hours as of now. No, nothing for the next 24 hours. Here's our day one SPC outlook. As you can see, with those showers that come through today, there will be a chance for some thunderstorms as well. We'll show the models in a second. There will be a chance for some thunderstorms with those. And we're going to go ahead and show the excessive rainfall. No excessive rainfall is expected for pretty much for today, going into tonight as well. So at this point, we're just gonna have to wait and see what happens. Let's go ahead and check out the model, see what they show. So if we go ahead and move the slider forward, you can see right there those storms starting to kick up at around 3 p.m. or so on today. Here's 3 p.m. We go through. Here's 6 p.m. Start to see those downpours start to kind of move into the eastern portion of the upstate and to the Midlands as well, as around 6 o'clock. And then if we go ahead and continue on, you can see through here 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, those downpours start to move near Orangeburg, 10, 11, 12, 1 a.m. So it's going to be just some isolated rain today, but then as we get into like tomorrow, this is where I think we're going to have to watch out for some widespread thunderstorm activity as well going into tomorrow, like around like the 3 to 4 a.m. We have a huge thunderstorm that may try to push in near like the McCormick region as well. So watch out for some isolated thunderstorms today. Some showers are definitely cannot be ruled out. I'm not really seeing anything. In terms of today, I'm not really seeing anything for the low country or for like the PD region. So, I mean, again, could catch a little break for like the next 24 hours or so. But it's mainly, again, just the Midlands and the upstate. But obviously cannot rule out a shower down here, though. Because, we can't predict exactly where the showers will be. We can't predict if, exactly what's going to happen. So, you always got to be ready for that just in case if a surprise does happen. But that's all that I have. So everyone have a fantastic day, and I will be back tomorrow morning with another forecast update. I will not be here tonight at 9 o'clock. There will not be a stream up, so you can enjoy your Friday evening off. Fantastic.